How to make money on Fiverr without any skill. This is the first method that I am going to show you in this video. I have decided to create this video for those people who are interested in doing freelancing work. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. So let's move to the Fiverr.com. Fiverr is actually a freelancing platform where people are selling their services, and people who are looking to buy their services are actually visit the Fiverr platform, and they order the sellers, and the sellers then deliver their task within 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and they can sell their service from $5 to $1,000 and even more than $1,000. It all depends upon their level. So if you just move to the Fiverr and search for remove image background, these are the gigs. You will see that people are actually selling these types of services to people. I will remove white background 30 images, I will image cutout image, I will 100 image background remove in 1 day. So all sort of services, people are actually making some decent income using this type of service. I will Photoshop remove background, remove image. So let's suppose if I just bring out my calculator and do the math and tell you that how much this lady has earned from this service, then you get to know that. So just open up this gig. Basic, she's selling for $5, standard for $15, and premium for $50. So if I just take a middle figure like standard, and total, she has completed 313 orders, and as per my experience, nearly 50% of the people actually make the review. So if we just multiply this figure by 2, we can reach to the actual figure. Multiply by 2. So this gig has received nearly 626 orders, and if we multiply this by $15, so you come up with the figure of $9,390. Fiverr will take 20% of its commission. So if we take 80% of this amount, then it becomes nearly $7,500. So she has earned pretty decent income from this service. And if you are also looking for selling this type of service, then I am going to show you a simple step or simple strategy that you can use, and you can remove background without any skill. So how you can do that? Just move to a platform that is known as clippingmagic.com. Once you land over the clippingmagic.com, you can see that this is a site that can remove backgrounds for the image in that manner. So how you can do that? Just click on upload image. Choose the image. I have already downloaded an image from the Google. So I just upload that image and click on open. The image has been uploaded to the Clipping Magic server. So this is my original image, and this will be the resulting image. How you can do that? Actually, there are two types of lines. One is green and the one is red. The image that you want to retain, you should use the green color. So how you can use? Just take out the green color and draw it on your image that you want to retain. So just if this is the image I want to keep. Again, and this is the area that I do not want to keep, so I will take out the red color and I will paste it here. So you can see that on the right hand side you will seeing the resulting image, and here you can also check out the image. And if you wanted to make your borders more prominent, just click out your green color and you can So you are seeing that your image are now becoming better. And with the passage of time, once you get used to this software, you will perform much better. Even you can make your border lines more planar by using pen tool. You are seeing that the image look pretty nice, and within a few minutes I have removed that background image. But keep remember that this software is not free, but also remember that this is not a costly software. If I just take you to the pricing option, just move to the pricing option, you can see that 1 credit is equal to 1 download. And there are 3 types of plan: light, standard and pro. Light 15 credits a month and you only have to pay $4 per month. With standard 100 credits, $8 per month. And with the pro plan, you can get 500 credits and $15 per month. So if I just take you to those gigs, you can see that these guys are actually removing 30 simple images for $15. So for $1 she is removing 2 images. So if you just bought up this plan, pro plan, you can remove 500 backgrounds images for $15. For $1 you can remove 35 or 40 images. So that's great number. But you must be sure that you have enough orders to buy that pro plan. So it would be better to, once you get the order, you should buy the light plan. And once you actually starting getting orders more organically on Fiverr, then you can move to the standard plan. And if somehow you start receiving more and more orders and you have upgraded, you have received the level 2 and more than level 2, then you can buy the pro plan, because it will increase your profit potential. And you can also unused credit rollover period up to 2500, bulk clipping. So all sort of benefits after using that pro plan. This is a great size to use, and you can see that all sorts of e-commerce business, graphic design and more. Actually, people who are working on the e-commerce and other projects, they will come to you and they will order you in bulk. So what you can do, you can remove those image background from after using clipping magic. Instead of using Photoshop, because it will take skill and much time, I recommend you to just go for the clipping magic and it will done all of your tasks. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.